guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my makeup bag / makeup tutorial. So yeah, this is my makeup bag. I got this in a friend's show bag that my boyfriend bought for me for my birthday. And yeah, it says, "You're my lobster." If you're a Friends fan, get this reference. So good, and it's so pretty too. So the first thing I have in my makeup bag, and that I will be first applying on my face, is the Aquavet sunscreen. This is SPF 50. So yeah, I've just started in the last, I'm gonna say like maybe last week or so. Next in my makeup bag is the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer. This is awesome. Like, just try it. It's so good. I absolutely love it, and I need to get some more soon because, as you can tell, I'm running pretty low. Okay, huh? See if I can get some out. There we go. Just need a little bit. I'm going to apply this to my T-zone, so my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead. For foundation, I'm using another CoverGirl product. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Hydrating Foundation. This is amazing. I am in the shade Ivory. Yeah, this is Ivory, and I absolutely love this foundation, and I am just about out, so for concealer, I use two concealers, again from CoverGirl. This is their True Blend Undercover Concealers. These are amazing. Like, just try them. They are fantastic. I absolutely love them. I've got two shades. One is in Natural Ivory, and the other one is, if I can find it, Porcelain. I'm gonna set everything with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. This is an oldie but a goodie. Such a great powder. I've used this since I first started my channel. I absolutely love it. Oh. Okay, next is brows. Now for brows, I use two products. One is by Model Co. This is their brow pencil. The other one is from Maybelline. This is their Brow Satin pen in medium brown. So I absolutely love these. So I use both. It's two-ended. So I can comb out my brows. It's going to take a small mirror. So this is a 2-in-1, so it's got the pencil on this side, and it's got like a sponge tip applicator on the other side that has brow product in it. I really love this brow pencil mixed with these. Amazing, amazing combo. Now, moving on to eyes. Now for eyes, so like for an eyeshadow palette, I use basically whatever I have. And right now I'm currently I'm going between 2 palettes at the moment. One is the Zoeva Heritage palette. I got this from Sephora. It is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at these shades. Just absolutely pretty. As you can tell, these two have been my favorite. So this is an absolutely beautiful palette. I cannot wait to use this pretty blue. Oh my god, I can't wait to use that. I think it's like it's a purple. It's really pretty. The next is the Morphe X James Charles palette that I got for my birthday. Excuse the front, it's been well loved. I've been using this palette since I got it. So the last few weeks, over the last month, and I absolutely love it. I mean, look at this, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna be using this palette today. So I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take this cream color at the top. I don't really know what the names are because I threw out the clear bit of plastic that came with it that had all the names on it by accident. Fluffy brush. I think I'll do a neutral look. Okay, I'm gonna take this kind of brown color here with this other brown, so I'm gonna mix the two just a little bit. Take my star mirror. Okay, next I'm gonna take the same brush I had earlier. Actually, I'm gonna use a different brush. This brush. This is another Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush. This is the JH39. I'm gonna take that brown again, mix it with that darker brown, tap off the excess, and do my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna use my fingers so they are clean. So I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take this champagne color here because it's absolutely pretty. I'm gonna put this on the end. And I'm gonna take my brush from earlier and I'm gonna take this color up here, kind of like rose gold. Take a little bit of that. And I'm gonna put this on the outer. highlight color right here. I'm going to take that with the other end of the brush, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners. Okay, done with the eyes. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. So back to my makeup bag. Now for mascara, I'm using, or have been using, the Maybelline Colossal Go Extreme mascara. This is really nice. It's a really lovely mascara. It's got a really big wand. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using this BYS bronzing palette that my boyfriend bought for me for Valentine's Day last year. Yeah, last year. I'm just taking these two colors right here, just mixing them together. And then for blush, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette that I've had for a while. And I'm taking this shade, the blush brush. For highlight, I'm going to go back to the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this highlighter that I used earlier, take my brush, and use it. All right, now for lips, I'm taking a MAC lip liner. This is in Soar. This is a really pretty lip liner. And I'm going to go in with this double-ended lipstick and liner from Nude Rush. I got this in one of my Bella boxes and I absolutely love it. Really pretty. I got a new setting spray. This is from Tarte. This is their Rain Forest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. I just got the small size. Whew. And I'm done. That's my makeup look, and that was everything in my makeup bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's the look up close. It's a really pretty, like, just everyday look. Super cute, and I love it. I have been wearing this look quite a bit. I really like it. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below what you guys keep in your makeup bags, because I'd really like to know. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah. Bye bye, guys.